Deleting and restoring files and folders. Both the firm owner and team members with document management access can delete and restore files. In TaxDome, there are multiple ways to delete both folders and files within a client's account. There are two ways to delete a single file or a complete folder containing multiple files. To delete a single file, first click the checkbox next to the file name, then click Delete. Alternatively, click the three-dot menu next to the file and select Delete. You can delete any folder except for the default client folder with Client Can View and Edit access. When deleting a folder, all files within it will be selected by default. Click Delete to remove the folder and its contents. To delete multiple files or folders at once, select all the files and folders you want to delete. Then click Delete and confirm the action. When files and folders are deleted, they move to the Trash subtab, allowing you to restore them within 120 days. After this period, deleted files and folders will be permanently removed from the system. You can restore deleted files and folders from the Trash subtab. One exception: if you deleted an empty folder, it cannot be restored. After you restore the file, it will return to its original location. If the original location for the document no longer exists, a new one will be automatically generated. The document's audit trail will be restored as well. However, anything that was previously linked to the document, such as invoices or signatures, will not be restored.